Good morning, good morning, good morning, my beautiful people. It's your girl Steffi here, and you are stepping with Steffi. So remember to stay, and step with Steffi. Yeah, girl. Yeah, I had to let that out. This morning, I am tired, I'm drained. But let me just say thank you, Jesus. It has been a rough week. I've been in like total anticipation, worrisome mood, and just was extremely nervous for Hurricane Melissa. Not this Melissa. Hurricane Melissa, bad girl Melissa, that was supposed to hit Jamaica, which it did. And guys, let me tell you, I was so nervous. I was nervous for my family, nervous for friends down there, nervous for the entire island of Jamaica, my Jamaican people. And I'm telling you, I was just watching everything I could possibly watch to get a better understanding of the hurricane trajectory, of what would happen when it finally hit, what to expect, where it was gonna like hit mainly, and where the eye would rest over. And at first, when I hear that it was gonna travel so slow and stay over Jamaica so long, I was like, Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. And I tell you, I was praying. I was, even at work, I was in my head praying, and I'm trying to do what I need to do for my clients, but I'm still praying. I'm like, Lord. And the Lord said, this too shall pass. And now we're looking at the devastation. We're looking at people left, especially in like Portland, St. Elizabeth, Clarendon, you name it. Yeah, those areas, they got hit pretty bad. And people are, even though it was what, a day or two now, somewhere there, the recovery from this catastrophic destruction is gonna be a long one. And I implore everyone, please, I'm asking, support your family, support the community. If you can give small, give small. If you can give big, give big. If you can give a huge, enormous amount, give it. Help bring Jamaica back, or even better than what it was, in terms of infrastructure, in terms of making sure somebody in a community gets their roof back. Help them to cut down fallen trees, to cut them up, to move them out of the way, to make back a path that is clear for everybody to move about, do what they need to do. So people, this is Flatbridge. Big up to Everblessed TV, Everblessed Travels for this footage. This is the infamous Flatbridge. As you can see, the debris piled high right there, and the river, it's running really brown and muddy. One thing I can definitely say is just thank God that we as Jamaican people, we have the tenacity, the strength, the perseverance, and we will get through this and get through everything we've always gotten through. Obviously, with God's help, we can rebuild. We can come back even better and stronger than before. So please, people, whatever you can donate, whatever you can give, make sure you do it. One thing I can say in this video, that the sun is still shining. People are out and about. And where there's life, there's hope. That's him. That's the YouTuber that's bringing this footage. And that's the famous or infamous Flatbridge. Yes, we did. With God help, we survived this one. So people, go ahead and check out his channel. I just found him. Just found him today. I believe it's called Everbless Travels or Everbless TV. But you'll find him. You guys are good at searching and finding people on the internet, so you guys will find him. Check out his channel. Oh my God, there's so much debris that about what 4, 5, 6, 7 people can be on top of it all at once. Everblessed Travels, there you go. Those are some huge trees that just wash up there, piled on top of each other, brought down by the massive Rio Cobra. So guys, as you can see, it is currently 7:35 a.m. We are getting rain today, and it's still looking dark outside, even though it's after 7 in the morning. Yeah, so you just saw some of the carnage created by Hurricane Melissa that made landfall, Category 5 in Jamaica, 2 days ago. So yeah, like I said, please guys, support, help. Even if you're not Jamaican, you can still send support to help somebody on the beautiful island. Sorry guys, let me just put I took off the windshield wiper. Yeah, support, Lord. Guys, support. We need it in a time like this, to all the devastation, especially in the parishes that got hit the hardest. And let us just stand in solidarity to support Jamaica at this time, and make sure we do what we can, especially for us Jamaicans abroad. It's time to support y'all. Alright? Stay in step with Steffi.